If you want to start a business with AI, but you don't have a team, a big budget, or a clear idea yet, this is for you. Or maybe you're already building something and overwhelmed thinking you need to hire someone, but you look at your budget and it's not looking good. And you're wondering if there's a smarter, more profitable way to be doing this with AI, this is for you too. Either way, the problem is never you. The problem is everyone hands you a pile of ideas and zero way to know which one's actually good and which one will actually work. So today, two things. Real business ideas you can start with AI, not ideas that need a huge audience, a staff, or startup money. Ideas one woman can actually run with AI as her team, and a simple filter to know which one is right for you so you stop second guessing and actually start. And idea number 3 is the sleeper. Almost nobody talks about it, but it might be one of the most practical ways to get paid with AI. Let's get into it. If we haven't met, I'm Efwa. I help women use AI as leverage to build a profitable business without a big team, without a big budget, and without giving up their life. I put out new videos every Thursday. Okay, before I give you the ideas, you need the filter because the ideas are useless without it. Here's something they teach you in business school. I learned a version of this getting my MBA at Chicago booth, but I'm gonna make it dead simple. Every good business idea has to pass 3 questions. Just 3. So 1, is there a real painful problem? Not would this be nice, painful. Is someone frustrated right now, actively looking for a fix? Painkillers sell, vitamins don't. 2, is there somebody who will actually pay? And can you find them? So we're talking about a real person with a real problem and a budget, and you know where they hang out. Look, an idea with no reachable, payable customer isn't a business, it's a hobby. 3, especially for us, can AI let you deliver it solo? Can you actually run this yourself with AI as your team without hiring? Question 3 is new. That's what makes these ideas possible for you today that weren't even a few years ago, especially if you're somebody with more heart than budget. So we want a painful problem, we want a reachable, payable customer, an AI deliverable solo. Run every idea I'm about to give you through these 3 lenses. Run your own idea through these 3 lenses. Okay, so let's get to the ideas. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna lay out. So each idea, it's gonna be what it is, who it's for, why AI makes it solo doable. That's a quick filter check. Idea 1 is an AI social media management for local businesses. So local businesses know they should post but never have time. You run their social media and AI writes the captions, designs the graphics, plans the calendar. Is it a painful problem? Yes. Do they have a reachable customer? Every town's full of them. Can you deliver this with AI solo? Easily. This passes all 3. This is the easiest one you can start this week. And if you need help setting this up, I have put together a free mini course called Build Your AI Team. The link is below. Anyway, idea 2 is AI content repurposing. Creators and coaches make one video or podcast and need it turned into 20 posts, clips, and emails. It's very tedious for them, but it's fast for you with AI. It could be a source of recurring revenue and can be done fully solo. So idea 3, done for you newsletters. This is the one nobody's really talking about. Everyone obsesses over social media, but email quietly makes businesses the most money and most of them neglect it completely. You write and manage their newsletter with AI. It's low competition, high retainer, and once it's set up, it runs like clockwork. That's why it's my favorite one on this list. Idea 4 is niche AI consulting or AI setup for small businesses. Small business owners are drowning in AI overwhelm. They know they should use it, they just don't know how. So you set up their tools and their workflows, and the good thing is you don't need to be technical, just a few steps ahead of them. Idea 5 is you build templates, guides, mini courses, prompt packs, and something you already know. You make it once, you improve it over time, and sell it repeatedly without managing clients every day. This is the leverage play. No clients to manage, income while you sleep. Perfect if you're more introvert than a salesperson. Idea 6 is AI-powered coaching or a knowledge business. If you already know something, so if it's fitness, finance, parenting, any kind of skill, AI helps you package it into a coaching offer, content, or systems. Your existing expertise plus AI equals a business. This one has the highest income ceiling of all the other ideas I just listed. 6 ideas. But here's what I really want you to take away, because you may not like any of them or you may have your own. What I really want you to take away from this is not necessarily the list, it's the filter. 1, it's a painful problem. 2, you have a reachable paying customer. And 3, this can be delivered with AI solo. Run any idea you have through these 3 questions and you'll never waste months building something nobody wants. That's the difference between hoping and knowing. Now, if you want me to actually walk you through turning one of these into a real business step by step with AI doing the heavy lifting, I built a free course called Build Your AI Team. It's 3 short videos, but you'll have your AI team set up by the end. Links in the description, go grab it. And once you've picked your idea, the next thing you'll need is people actually finding you. So my video on AI marketing tools I used to get seen completely solo is the perfect next watch. It's right here. Subscribe for a new video every Thursday. See you in the next one. But remember, you don't need a team or a big budget. You need leverage, and AI is your leverage. Keep building and keep it casual. See you in the next one.